Hey, the Keto Foodie coming at you with a quick video on an exciting new product that I'm excited to try out. For anyone who suffers from thyroid problems, or if you think that you might suffer from thyroid problems and need to get yourself checked out, if you haven't talked to a doctor or can't even fathom like having to make an appointment to go get blood drawn and do all that, there's some companies doing some fun things in this space, Paloma Health being one of them. They have an at-home testing kit that you can purchase, very inexpensive. It generally goes for $99. They currently have a coupon on their website for 40% off, so you can get it for a great deal. And they ship to you everything that you need to be able to do the blood draw at home. And it's through a finger prick, so it's very invasive. It's not very invasive. And it allows you to kind of take control of your health without having to make an appointment, go to the doctor, and so forth. You can order the kit, do it 100% at home on your free time, send it off. And what's really cool about this company, because other companies are doing similar things with at-home kits, is they actually connect you to licensed professionals, doctors, nutritionists who know and understand the results of the test to be able to help you understand if you have a thyroid problem, what you can do and how you can impact it by changing your nutrition and just generally holistic type of health. What's really exciting about that is that you don't have to make an appointment, get in your car, go to the doctor, wait 6 or 7 weeks for that. It all happens through telemedicine. Once they have scanned your kit and gotten your results, they connect you to a doctor all in a pretty automated fashion, which is pretty cool. So Paloma Health is doing it and doing it well. The kit comes with a registration kit for you to do online. Once you have your kit, you have to register yourself online. Everything you need to collect the sample, again, from a finger draw on the tip of your finger. And then you get your results within days, which is really exciting. For those of you who don't know, I suffer from thyroid challenges and I was diagnosed when I was about 23 years old, so I've had that for most of my adult life. I also have a metabolic disease of lipedema, which is also hormonal based, so I like to be informed on what my counts are, what my numbers are. I like to see how I change my activity, change my holistic type of health, change the way I eat and how that impacts it. So I'm excited to be able to do this at home instead of having to go to the doctor and pay my copay and have to do that all in person. So the kit is really cute. I'm gonna unbox it here for us so you guys can see what you guys get for in the kit. So it is, they mail it directly to you. Once you open it up, beautifully packaged. They do a very good job with their marketing and packaging piece of it. Lots of good information on here with a barcode. Tells you how to register, how to collect the sample, and then returning the sample. It gives you some instructions. Other cute things about this kit, which helps them stand out, is I received this handwritten thank you note from the company, which is really cute. They're really working hard to make themselves stand out. Another thing that I absolutely love about this, if you remember going to the doctor as a child, and doing the blood draw to check your glucose and all that, you would leave there usually with a lollipop. So they actually give you a lollipop with their little logo on it, the Paloma logo. This one is blackberry mint lemon, so I'm excited for this. Super, super cute, nice little touch, gives it the personal touch. So those are the two fun things in the box. Then you will get everything that you need to be able to do the finger draw. So you get this bag, biohazard bag here with 2 lancets in it, which is what you would use to actually prick your finger to be able to draw the blood. Now it's important when you go and do this that you wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap, and I do suggest warm water because it helps get the blood circulation and bring the blood to the tip of the finger. Wash your hands really well, pretend like you're a nurse or a doctor and really get in there and scrub. Once you've done that, you want to use the secondary packet that they give you here, which has a little bit of gauze, has some bandages, and has some alcohol swabs. Once you've washed your hands with soap and water and you've let them dry, then take the alcohol swab and really clean up the area where you're going to be pricking your finger. Let it air dry. Then use the lancet to pop a little hole in your finger, and don't be afraid. People do this all the time. It's nothing to be scared of. You hardly feel it. It's gonna be like a little pinch. If you know anyone who's ever done like glucose monitoring or ketone monitoring, they're using something very similar to this lancet. And then what I think is really cool, because you go to the doctor and they take tubes of blood and make it this big thing to be able to check your thyroid, they can actually test from a 5-spot blood card. So they give you this card, it has a little barcode which you're going to register yourself to so that they know who the sample belongs to. And on the card, I don't know if you can see it, there's 5 little spots or 5 little holes. 5 little circles. And what you'll do is once you prick your finger and you have the blood ready to go, you're gonna drop a drop of blood in each one of these 5. And that's it. You're gonna let it dry, you're gonna close it up, put your name on here, and then you're gonna put it in the return envelope that they give you that's already addressed with the appropriate barcodes and ready to go. So you would drop all of that in here and mail it off to them. Now, another really important component of this is that you need to register your blood sample and the number barcode on here to who you are so they know who to get the result back to. So it comes with a card that gives you instructions on exactly how to get the finger prick, how to go online and register. It comes with this little booklet about the test and what is all entailed. It gives you information on everything that's inside the actual box, so the lancet, to the return envelope, to the sample storage box, the bandages and everything. Gives you the steps. Step 1 is to go through and take the test, and gives you some tips on like hydrating and checking, cleaning with warm water and so forth. So definitely read through this when you get that. Then it gives you the step 2, which is drawing the blood, and then step 3, returning it. Once you're registered, then you'll get your results within a couple of days, which is great. The other thing that I'm really excited about for Paloma is that they will actually, once you have your results, through telemedicine, they will connect you with doctors and nutritionists who can help you put a plan in place to continually improving your thyroid. Once you understand that if you have a thyroid problem, if your counts are off, there are different things that you can do to manage that so that you have more energy, so that your hair stops falling out, so that you're not lethargic, lots of different things. Thyroid and hormones are very linked, so it's important, especially for females, to ensure that you're checking your thyroid, managing it. If you're feeling worn out or tired, you might have a thyroid problem. So I would definitely recommend that you get on palomahealth.com and take advantage of their 40% off coupon that they have available right now on their website. Get a kit and know your numbers. Once you know your numbers, if there's a problem, you can start managing it. I wish nothing but the best for you, and hopefully you check out your thyroid health soon. Take care.